Jakub Stepanek, the 22-year-old, is coming out, and Martin Prusek with the Dominik Hasek-like headgear is headed in. Prusek is 33 years of age. This is just his second World Championship, however. His first was way back in the late 90s when he was the third goalie. Never actually played a game until the World Championship here in 2009. He made 22 saves in a 5-2 win over Norway, and now he's stepping into the line of fire against Team Canada. Down 3-0, 44 remaining in the first. Clevish skates it out of the zone, gets it to Peter Chayanic. Trying to backhand pass with Red, but now Chayanic gets it right back. Chayanic looking for the trailer, gets it to Clevish for the save. Made there by Mason. Good shot, better save by Chris Mason.
Again, just another turnover. It was the neutral zone, and the Czechs are so quick with that transition game. They're able to move the puck quickly wide and bring it to the middle for a good shot. Chris Mason had to be sharp again.
Big scrum here right in front of us along the near board. Finally it's front free, and Shapava will get it over to Carl.
Madaldal kang bata ka. Daldal ka ba? Oo. Maganda ba ang tulog ng baby ko? Maganda ba ang tulog ni Jerome? Maganda ba? Ha? Okay ba tulog mo, anak? Yeah? Yeah! Ang baby Jerome.
No question, Stamkos' hands were wide on the stick, but I really think Placanis ducks down. If he stands up, he's going to get the stick in the low back, and he won't go anywhere. He might get pushed in the boards, but as he leans over, he rides up his back. And
Daldal ka.
no question, Stamkos.
Daldal yung batang yan. Oo, daldal yung anak kong yan eh. Ha? Oo. Nasaan si Daddy? Ha?
Another look at Shea Weber's blast from the point. Almost looked like he got deflected in front of the net. Really can't blame Stepanek on it. I don't think it did. It just rides like a good fastball.
Madaldal ka ba na? Ano pinapanood ni Jerome? Hi? Oh, sus.
The Canadian zone, Weber comes to your side, Eric Roy beats Bolanek and rolls back towards Mason.
O yan na, sumuka ka na anak. Tingnan mo. Ew! Ew!